How do multiple alleles influence inherited traits? Imagine a game where players can choose from more than just two options to create different characters. That's similar to how multiple alleles work in genetics. They are different versions of a gene found in a population. Each person still only inherits two alleles for each gene, one from each parent. But in the whole population, there can be many more versions. These multiple alleles make the variety of traits we see much richer. Genes are located at specific spots on chromosomes called loci. When a gene has many alleles, it means there are several forms of that gene circulating among people. Each form can produce a slightly different trait. For example, think about a color. The gene controlling a color has multiple alleles that can lead to blue, brown, green, or hazel eyes. The presence of these different alleles increases the diversity of traits in a population. This diversity helps species adapt and survive because it gives a wider range of traits for natural selection to act upon. Some alleles are dominant, meaning they show up in the trait even if only one copy is present. Others are recessive and only show when both copies are the same. Sometimes, two alleles are codominant, which means both are expressed at the same time. A good example is the ABO blood group system. The gene for blood type has three alleles, IA, IB, and I. The IA and IB alleles are codominant, so both can be expressed together, making blood type AB. The I allele is recessive, so it only shows if someone inherits two copies of it. Because of these multiple alleles, family members can have different traits even if they share some genes. For instance, one person might have blood type A, another type B, and another type AB, all from different combinations of the same gene. This variation is why genetic testing can reveal different inherited traits within families. It also helps predict the chances of passing on certain traits or health conditions. The more alleles a gene has in a population, the more options there are for traits to appear. This makes inheritance patterns more complex but also more interesting. In family genetic testing, understanding multiple alleles helps explain why relatives might have different traits or health risks. It shows how genetic diversity works at a population level and why some traits are more common than others. So, in simple terms, multiple alleles expand the set of options for how traits are inherited, making each person unique in their genetic makeup. This diversity is a key part of what makes each of us different and helps us understand how traits are passed down through generations.